Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll guide you through fixing the Netwbw02.sys BSOD error on Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started in. Press the Windows key plus X and select the Device Manager option. Double-click the Network Adapters section and right-click the Intel wireless device under it. Now, select the Update Driver option. Finally, choose Search automatically for drivers and install any available updates. Press the Windows key plus R, type dvmgmt.msc, and click OK. Expand the Network Adapters option and right-click the Intel wireless adapter there. Now, select the Uninstall Device option. Check the Delete Driver software for this device box and click the Uninstall button. Finally, restart your PC. Press the Windows key plus I and select Windows Update. Click the Check for Updates button. Finally, download and install the available updates and restart your PC. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and choose Run as administrator. Under Command Prompt, type the command below and hit Enter to run it. SFC/Scano. Wait for this command to finish running. If this does not work, type the command below and hit Enter. dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Finally, wait for the command to finish running and restart your PC. Press the Windows key plus R, type appwiz.cpl, and click OK. Right-click your third-party antivirus and select Uninstall. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal process. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.